Good morning, everyone, and welcome once again to the Train Expert channel on this Thursday, July 20th, 2023. We have an OC&T Alco 85 freight train coming, heading to Oil City. We're going to separate this into two parts. Let's check it out. But before we play this video, remember, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube and Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube as well. Let's check it out.
Yeah, but if they're going slow, they're have to be done. They also probably can't go too fast with how much you're pulling. And stop too fast with what they're pulling. Let's turn this one out.
See some raindrops in the rain, because this is the train video in the rain, by the way.
There we go.
Here's the lights. Got a train coming, check it out, roll it.
Some type of a truck is stopping right now.
It's like Tom and Chris is all it is in this one. Maybe Jack's in there, but I'm not sure.
No, it's not. There's like 3 tankers, I know that, but I don't know how many grain cars besides that one. Yeah, we got an intermodal truck on a stop on a train right here. I'm gonna head right over to Drakewell because with this traffic, I'm not gonna get to this should be the end here in a minute. Right. Well, I'm saying I'm gonna have to wait to pull out of here.
We're gonna freeze it here before the video goes to Drakewell.
There's the end.
There we go. There's the end.
There's the end of the Alco 85 OC&T train, freight train. Starts off from Titusville, that's here, and terminates to Brownsville, Pennsylvania.
Well,
That's where it terminates to the Red Farm Station. Oh, All right, on to the Drakewell Station. Oh, God. Roll it.
But before we do that, assemble on that train was OC&T Alco 85. That train originates, you just heard, to Titusville, Pennsylvania. Head south to Rouseville, Pennsylvania, where it terminates. All on this Thursday, July 20th, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Didn't have very many tankers in this. They got more grain hoppers there than tankers. Yeah, you don't see them every day on this before, so. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train of the same one at Drakewell we just heard on the video. Talk to you later.